Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Next, today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the front brake pads on a Dodge Magnum or a Dodge Charger. Okay, it'll be the same for that generation, guys. That Magnum right here or this Charger right there, guys. As you can see, both of them are identical. They share the same platform. I think even Chrysler 300C will be the same. So stay with us to see how we're going to remove the front brake pads and replace them with another set. Alright guys, what you need to do first, you need to jack the side that you're working on, and always use a jack stand, guys. Don't rely on the jack, because if it malfunctions, the car might fall on you. So go ahead and remove now the tire. So what you need to do is remove the 5 lug nuts, okay, and remove the tire so we can access the brakes. Okay, we have the hubcap here, and now just go ahead and remove the tire, the old school steel wheels, guys. Alright guys, and that's what we have right here now, the brake caliper, and those are the brakes right here, the brake pads. Alright guys, what we need to do first, we need to go ahead and get a big screwdriver. You can get a special tool to compress the caliper, the piston inside the caliper, but if you get a big screwdriver and you get it stuck between the disc and the brake pad, you are going to compress it, and that way we need to compress it almost all the way, because what is happening, guys, just be careful not to come out. Okay, you can see all the room that we gained already, because when you install new brakes, they will actually be bigger than the old ones and it will not fit over the disc. So now we need to remove 2 bolts with a 13mm socket, one on the top here and one on the bottom that we already removed. So go ahead and take those off, okay, and hold the caliper. Okay, as you can see, that's what the bolts look like. Now you can go ahead and pull it out, guys. Okay, it might be a little bit stuck because it hasn't been removed for a long time, and the pad is still stuck on the caliper there. Okay, almost there. So you need to move it a little bit, and it comes out. So now don't let it hang like that. So you need to, guys, tie it for the upper suspension there, because if you just let it hang, you might cause damage to the brake line. Okay, and now what you need to do, you need to just pull the brake pads out. Okay, just like that. Okay, right there. And the inner one is absolutely the same way. It just slides out. Okay, so both of them, as you can see, are identical. They're the same. This one was on the inside in our case. And now next thing, we have brake pads that we used from another car, from the same parts car. So, but if you actually put a new brake rotor, you will need to put new brake pads as well. But that set came from the car that we worked on now. So okay, those are the brake pads. Make sure that they're not shiny on the bottom, because if they're shiny, they'll be done pretty much, and they could cause vibrations and be burned from all the heat there. So go ahead and slide them on. Make sure that everything is good. Here you can apply brake grease if you need to. Now you need to apply the brake caliper on top, and after that you need to go ahead and install the 2 bolts with that 13mm wrench or socket. Get those tied as well, and stay with us to see what else you need to do, guys, to make sure that you have brakes the first few times you hit the brake pedal, because otherwise you might get in a bad situation. Okay, now we're going to do them by hand to make sure everything's good again. And now, guys, what's happening now? There is quite a bit of play, as you can see, between the piston and the brake pad. So now when you hit the brake a couple of times, you won't have brakes actually, because you need to compress that play right here. So you need to go ahead in the vehicle before you install the tire, guys, so you don't forget about it, and you need to hit the brake pedal a couple of times until you have no play and it's actually holding. Okay, you can see it's compressing more, so we need to go more. Okay, a couple more times. Okay, 2-3 times. Okay, and now it's contacting, and it will actually stop it, and you won't be able to turn it. Okay, so that's how you guys replace the brake pads. on a Dodge Charger or Magnum. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.